Hello friends, good evening. This is my video channel. My YouTube channel welcome your viewers and subscribers. How this is insurance, this making to insurance policies and insurance information and insurance policy. This legal contract between the insurance company, insurance and person business unit being insured into being for information. This information customer buys insurance policy. This person and reading your policy help and verify and that meet your need and that your policy meet and your and that understand your and the insurance company responsibility for a loss carrier and according for this people can ask me what insurance policy in this simple word, what is simple policy in example, insurance word in answer. For this ample answered by customer, remember license insurance, understand your insurance policy. For information and example, and insurance insurance policy legal and contact between the insurance company for insurance and the person business and utility legal being insured in the insured. Reading your policy help in the verify that policy meet help you verify and you must policy number and detail for contact from detail and contact. Many external purchase and policy without understand how what whom the carried and a policy according. Always coverage and candidate for must be people and age for document and carrot candidate and coverage under coverage for apply to meet in under coverage apply when this carrier and coverage apply loss carriage and the schedule what like under remand customer that remand understand why carried unit policy help you do problem this disagreement with your insurance companies for age policy example is 60 and 80 and 60 and this loss this basis and information and contact. There are four basis part on insurance contact disclaimed page insurance agreement excellent or candidate and man and woman age example 60 then 18 then 60 old year then completed age. Most it's important and understand multiple policy for in the traffic examination candidate as step to coverage such the collection correction coverage medical payment or coverage disability coverage and so on will need for information this policy number information by detail complete coverage and soon the will we need make sure that this read and language for this speech coverage this applies and your loss for description page this page on usually the first part on insurance policy and identity for policy number for pages and language and gender provide any the policy and the face example and described page on pages and information by any number and information and described page or many of this information why and age and complete documents been verified name person coverage maximum amount and the described premium amount and described and this amount will be how would we claim and for insure pay to person and that are for this is condition simply by claim or pays life insurance policy and the name of person insured face amount life insurance policy $25 and $50 and then $10 no, $60 and then $45 and take ma'am something the insurance agreement this is a summary for manager promise and the insurance company and status bar coverage in the agreement on carrier page to this can care train then usually such pay loss and covered word such pay loss and coverage for care train services agreement default for this insurance eligibility loss out for these are two basic from this insurance agreement named party coverage and under which only loss party especially listed the policy or coverage if the properly are not listed if not coverage all risk it not coverage all risk coverage under which we all loss coverage example loss is losses examples especially example is the loss is not on this coverage insurance policy are taken through all policies this example policy coverage and from insurance agreement their manager three manager example policies courses loss example losses example properties type typical examples exempted under home bear policy and food good and nuclear reading typical exam automatic paid and reply under automatic policy demand due where are to under example and loss in the property and where owner policy person property such on automatic permanent aeroplane the candidate of person in the policy the and the automatically platform the policy candidate are not meet insurer can then claim come soon candidate policy endue the requirement file proof then loss then company perfect perfect after loss the corporate during the company investment and the loss this company for policies in the loss also and this eligible loss out different most policy have a different solution which different special term and use the policy and the most stand all one solution part of the part and the another section in the other two understand the term used in the policy is the important read in the section enrollment and the reader I ensure the change the language coverage and policy the time the policy renewal agreement and the reader and would be written provision that and to delete and the mode of provision original insurance contact almost state and carrier send your copy and the change policy important this that rule and answered reading change of policy is still requirement and need what are reviewing the policy the between the insurance policy contact for insurance agreement policy saving money what make the loss mistake this policy This policy paid insurance with it. What accident insurance? Disclaimer event five rule and then insurance rule and regulation and understand disclaimer payout process second home insurance than the need and now summary standard care safety and insurance COVID-19 implemented the insurance recovery and the different insurance and this all information new channel and information like and comment this information YouTube channel or for also you bye bye take you tata bye bye.